Hello, or should I say, good evening. It's 12 a.m. PM. Well, 007. And it's summertime soon. I think it's summertime 2 a.m. and then it turns into 3 a.m. But I think I'm gonna turn it on now. So, what you need to do on this amazing watch, you need to hold in this button, and then, as you can see, it says off some because it was off summertime. Now, to turn it on, click on this button. Now it's on, and just keep clicking this button till it's all done. There we go. 1 a.m. Summertime. I guess that means it's summer, doesn't it? I just got 1 hour less to sleep. Oh well. My cup. My cup. Look what my brother did. Art. Fridge art. Fridge magnet art. Lithuanian flag. Oh, look at her. I think she saw a dog. Look how hot it is. I don't even need a coat. It's 15 degrees. Oh, and a lot more in the sun. Especially when you have dark pants. What? It looks like it's fall right now. Look at that. With old leaves and no grass. What are those marks? No, that can't be death marks. I like that it's so warm right now. So good. This is an old one. I can almost break it. I'm trying to jog with Dora. Come on, a car is coming. You are not in shape. Come on. Why don't you want to run? Such a great weather. Come on, Dora. Let's jog a bit. I know we can do it. She is so annoying. Let's jog now. Go. This is my old school, folks. Look at that. I was here 8th till 10th grade, and 1st till 7th grade was a bit over there. You can see it soon. This is a pretty good school. I like this school. Used to hang out here. Just do pretty much random stuff. Here you can see our other school. They're kind of connected. There. 1st till 7th grade was over there. That is cool. This is where we used to have breaks. Recess. Ah, what are you doing? Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna visit Andreas now, because I kind of had to get out of the house. Because it's such a great weather, and I don't mind. He had to get out too. I don't know where he went. I hope he's home. The church. Let's just go through the church. I mean, through the graveyard by the church. The sun. It's open, isn't it? Because it's Sunday. Or maybe it's too late now. I don't know. Hey, you can see the reflection of me. Hey. Okay. So I'd like to continue jogging, but look at her, she doesn't want to. Look what happens if I try. Jog, go, yeah. That is not good. You are lazy, Dora. Graveyard. A lot of things going on here today. Because the weather is awesome. It's summer weather, really. I feel like it's summer now, just not very hot as it can get if it's summer. Kids. Just kids. I think. Maybe some older kids over there, but still kids. It's funny because when Andreas will be watching this vlog, he'll be like, oh, that's how he got here. Or that's what he was doing while he got here. Hi, Andreas, by the way. Let's go and see if he's inside. He should be. There he is. There. Come. Alright, yeah. She's got a stick. Whoa. She's happy now. Okay, we're vacuuming the computer. Look at this. Whoa. It was about time. Shit! Whoa!
Come on the board. Oh, fint av det. Åh. Ja. Ah. Ah, don't do that.
I think we're done. We decided to vacuum the computer while we're waiting for Hobbit. Hobbit. He's on his way now. We're done now.
No.
Oh wait, you need this, don't you?
Oh.
That's good. Good job.
Clean and fixed.
Made a deal. I paid him 20 crowns and he paid me 5 crowns, so 15 crowns for this one.
Pounds?
Crowns?
Oh.
What are you, some kind of pound guy?
Yes.
And I ate some rice. You drinking a Coke?
Yeah, Level up!
Oh, it's opened.
We did take one before you wanna solve it. Is it time?
Is it warm outside?
I'm around 3 degrees.
It's pretty cold now. It was like 15 during the day. So,
Maybe.
yeah, it's good.